Difference between blank and pre-trained models in spacy. I am currently trying to train a text classifier using spacy and I got stuck with following question. What is the difference between creating a blank model using spacy.blankn and using a pre-trained model spacy.loadn_core_web_sm? Just to see the difference I wrote this code. And it gave me the following result. Hello false inj everyone true prawn, false puntit prawn true prawns be true ogza a true dit wonderful false ij day false noun. Today false noun. Then I tried this, for the same text. And the result was Hello false everyone true, false it prawn true prawns true a true wonderful false day false. Today false. Not only are the results different, for example, lemma fours is different, but there are also no pos tagging for most of words in blank model. So obviously I need a pre-trained model for normalizing my data. But I still don't understand how it should be with my data classifier. Should I 1. Create a blank model for training text classifier, using nlp.update, and load a pre-trained model for removing stop words, lemmatization and pos tagging, or 2. Only load a pre-trained model for both, normalizing and training my text classifier? Thanks in advance for any advice.
If you are using spacy's text classifier, then it is fine to start with a blank model. The text categorizer doesn't use features from any other pipeline components. If you're using spacy to pre-process data for another text classifier, then you would need to decide which components make sense for your task. The pre-trained models load a tagger, parser, and now model by default. The lemmatizer, which isn't implemented as a separate component, is the most complicated part of this. It tries to provide the best results with the available data and models. If you don't have the package spacy lookups data installed and you create a blank model, you'll get the lowercase form as a default /dummy lemma. If you have the package spacy lookups data installed and you create a blank model, it will automatically load lookup lemmas if they're available for that language. If you load a provided model and the pipeline includes a tagger, the lemmatizer switches to a better rule-based lemmatizer if one is available in spacy for that language, currently Greek, English, French, Norwegian bookmall, Dutch, Swedish. The provided models also always include the lookup data for that language so they can be used when the tagger isn't run. If you want to get the lookup lemmas from a provided model, you can see them by loading the model without the tagger. In general, the lookup lemma quality is not great, there's no information to help with ambiguous cases, and the rule-based lemmas will be a lot better. However, it does take additional time to run the tagger, so you can choose lookup lemmas to speed things up if the quality is good enough for your task. And if you're not using the parser or now model for pre-processing, you can speed things up by disabling them.